So over here you can see that I am editing this blog in normal text mode. But what you can also do is if you want to work around with designs more, then you can go around over here and click on this button right here on the top left hand corner. Once you do that, from the regular compose view, you get the HTML view, which allows you to access out HTML codes, as you can see right here. So if you want to go ahead and edit out HTML codes, add in design codes, then you're free to do so in this view. So let's say, for example, if I were to go around and type in an HTML code right here. So I'm just going to go around and add in, let's say, heading title right here. And let's say, welcome example for teacher tube right here, just like this. If I were to go around and do this and close out the HTML tag, then this is an HTML view, as you can see. So if I were to go around over here and go to compose view, now you can see it in regular compose view as well. And this is something I wrote in HTML editor. And all of the formatting that you do right here does actually get converted into HTML because that is what it is being posted in web page. And that is how you can go around and then work around with HTML view inside of blog post and integrate HTML code as you know it to make to customize up the blogs as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.